When you look in the mirror, you see a single age, a number that marks your journey through the years, reflected back at you in the lines, the smiles, and the memories etched on your face. But beneath the surface, your body tells a far more complex and fascinating story. The age you see is just the surface. Inside, your body is a patchwork of ages, each cell carrying its own unique timeline. We mark our lives by birthdays, counting each year as a milestone, gathering with friends and family to celebrate another trip around the sun. But if you could zoom in, you'd see that your body is made up of trillions of cells, each with its own age. Some cells have been with you since before you were born, while others are brand new, created just moments ago. Some of your cells are as old as you, quiet witnesses to every chapter of your life, holding the stories of your past. Others are just days or weeks old, fresh and full of potential, the result of your body's remarkable ability to renew itself. This constant renewal is a quiet miracle happening every moment, a silent process that keeps you alive and thriving, even as you sleep or go about your day. We often think of our bodies as aging all at once, as if every part of us grows older together, but the truth is far more dynamic and surprising. Beneath the surface, your body is more like a bustling city. Old structures are constantly being replaced by new ones, all while the city's life continues without pause. Some buildings stand for decades, while others are torn down and rebuilt in a matter of days. Each of your cells has its own lifespan and story. Some, like certain brain cells, last a lifetime, while others, like those in your gut or skin, are replaced in a matter of days or weeks. This distinction is fundamental to how we heal, fight illness, and adapt to the world around us. It's why a cut can heal, why we recover from sickness, and why our bodies can change and grow. The replacement of cells is a vital survival strategy, allowing us to shed damaged or old cells and make way for the new, keeping us resilient in the face of life's challenges. So, while you celebrate your birthday and mark another year, remember that inside, countless tiny birthdays are happening every second, as new cells are born and old ones retire. You're home to countless cells far younger than you, each one a testament to your body's incredible ability to renew and sustain itself. You are not just a single age, but a living community, a vibrant ecosystem in constant renewal, where youth and age exist side by side within you. This hidden world of cellular ages holds secrets about our health, our vitality, and what it truly means to grow older. Understanding this mosaic within us may one day unlock new ways to stay healthy, heal faster, and perhaps even slow the march of time itself. Our bodies run on two clocks, each quietly ticking away in the background of our lives, shaping our experience of time in ways we rarely notice. The first is our calendar age, the number of years since the day we were born. This is the age we celebrate with birthday cakes, mark on official documents, and use to measure milestones like starting school, voting, or retiring. It's the age that society recognizes, the one that determines when we're old enough to drive or young enough for a child's ticket at the movies. But this is just a surface measure, a simple count of years that doesn't tell the whole story of what's happening inside us. The second clock is our cellular age, a far more intricate and revealing measure. It's determined by the life cycles of our cells, the tiny building blocks that make up every part of our body. Each cell has a specific job and a unique lifespan. Some cells live for only a few days, while others can last for years. When a cell's work is done, it's replaced by a new one, much like swapping out a worn light bulb for a fresh one. The true age of a tissue or organ isn't measured by your calendar age, but by the average age of its cells. This means that parts of your body might be much younger or older than you are on paper. Imagine a century-old wall where bricks are replaced as they wear out. The wall itself is ancient, but most of the bricks are relatively new. In the same way, your body's structure may be as old as you are, but the cells that make it up are constantly being renewed. Our bodies are the same. The overall structure reflects your calendar age, but beneath the surface, your cells are in a state of constant renewal and repair, like a house that's always being renovated from the inside out. Different types of cells have different lifespans, depending on their function and the amount of stress they endure. Skin cells, for example, are replaced every few weeks, while some neurons in your brain can last a lifetime. Cells that face the outside world, like those in your skin or gut, are replaced quickly because they're exposed to more wear and tear. Meanwhile, protected cells, such as those deep in your brain, can last for decades. This variation in cell turnover is essential for our maintenance and survival. It's like having a team of mechanics constantly tuning up different parts of a complex engine, making sure everything runs smoothly. It's a brilliant system of prioritized renewal, where the most vulnerable parts are refreshed most often, and the most protected are preserved for as long as possible. This hidden world of cellular time is what makes the story of our inner age so fascinating, and it's only just beginning to be understood by science. Cellular replacement is fundamental to life, happening right now without your awareness. Billions of cells die and are replaced daily, a testament to our body's strength and self-repair. Stem cells are the body's internal repair team, creating new specialized cells as needed. Renewal rates vary. High-stress tissues replace cells quickly, while protected tissues last years. The body wisely allocates resources, focusing on vulnerable areas. This means you're physically not the same person you were even a month ago. Your memories persist, but your body's substance is always changing. You're less like a statue, more like a river, always the same, yet always new. The skin, our largest organ, is our frontline defense. It's the barrier that separates our delicate inner world from the harshness of the outside environment. Every day, it shields us from bacteria, viruses, and countless environmental threats, all while helping to regulate our body temperature and moisture. This protective layer faces constant friction, pressure, and exposure to the elements: wind, sun, water, and pollution. Because of this relentless assault, the cells on the surface don't last long. They're designed to be temporary, always ready to be replaced. The outermost layer, called the epidermis, is in a state of perpetual renewal. It's a living conveyor belt, with new cells forming below and older ones moving upward. By the time skin cells reach the surface, they're already dead, forming a tough, protective shield. This layer is constantly being shed, flaking away invisibly as we go about our lives. Deep within the skin, new cells are born in the basal layer. These cells slowly journey upward, changing shape and composition as they go, becoming flatter and tougher to withstand the outside world. In just 2 to 4 weeks, these cells reach the surface and are shed, tens of thousands every minute. This rapid cycle means your skin is always in flux, always renewing. This remarkable turnover allows scrapes and cuts to heal quickly and helps slough off harmful microbes and irritants before they can cause trouble. Over the course of a year, you'll shed nearly 1 kilogram of skin, enough to fill a small bag. In fact, much of the dust in your home is made up of these tiny flakes of you. So, the skin you see and touch is only weeks old, a constantly regenerating shield that's always working to keep you safe. It's a vivid example of how the age of our cells can be very different from our actual age. The skin of a child and the skin of an elder are both new, even if the person is not. The skin sacrifices the longevity of individual cells for the greater good of the whole body. This strategy ensures that damage is quickly repaired and that the barrier remains strong. Through constant renewal, our skin keeps us protected, healthy, and connected to the world around us. A fleeting outer shell, always changing, yet always essential. Now let's look inside, at your blood. Blood is a river of life, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells everywhere. Red blood cells, the most numerous, live about 120 days before being recycled. White blood cells vary. Some live hours, others years, defending against infection. All blood cells are born in bone marrow, which produces billions daily. The blood in your veins today is not the same as a few months ago. It's a fresh supply, always replenished to keep you healthy. This constant renewal ensures oxygen delivery and immune defense. Your blood is always new, always flowing. Unlike skin or blood, some cells are built to last, especially in the brain. Neurons, the brain's main cells, hold our memories and personality. For decades, scientists thought we were born with all our neurons, and most are as old as we are. That's why brain injuries are so devastating. However, in areas like the hippocampus, new neurons can grow, a process called neurogenesis. Still, most neurons last a lifetime, protected above all else. Their longevity reflects their importance. They're the ancient guardians of our inner world. The brain's cellular age closely matches our calendar age. These are some of the oldest, most precious cells in our bodies. Now, let's visit the gut, an area of extreme cellular turnover. The intestinal lining faces harsh acids and enzymes, so its cells live just 2 to 5 days. After absorbing nutrients, they're shed and replaced. Deep in the gut, stem cells constantly produce new lining cells. The entire gut lining is replaced every week, over 50 times a year. This rapid renewal repairs damage and maintains a healthy barrier. Disposable, short-lived cells prevent disease and keep us safe. While brain cells last a lifetime, gut cells are younger than last week's leftovers. It's another example of the body's many clocks, each ticking at its own pace. Renewal here is a powerful defense mechanism. Cellular age isn't just science, it shapes how we feel and age. When renewal runs smoothly, we feel energetic and healthy. As we age, this process can slow. Stem cells dwindle, and old cells linger. Accumulated senescent cells release inflammation, contributing to aging and disease. Biological age can matter more than calendar age. Two 60-year-olds can have very different cellular ages. Genes, lifestyle, and environment all influence cellular aging. Diets rich in antioxidants and regular exercise boost renewal. Chronic stress and pollution accelerate cellular damage. Our choices directly affect our internal clocks. We have real power over our biological age. Realizing our bodies are a mosaic of ages changes how we see health. It shifts focus from unchangeable years to the dynamic process of cellular renewal. This knowledge is empowering. Aging isn't just fate, but something we can influence. Medicine is now targeting cellular aging to prevent disease and extend health span. The goal isn't immortality, but more years of vitality. Our daily habits, food, exercise, sleep, fuel and repair our cells. We are caretakers of a vast cellular community. The story of cellular age is one of hope and resilience. It's never too late to support your body's renewal. By respecting the tireless work within us, we can keep our internal clocks ticking healthily. And in doing so, we give ourselves the best chance at a long, vibrant life.